Welcome to the last episode, which is episode 4. This is the best affiliate course so far in 2020 affiliate marketing, the best way to make money in 2020 training. As soon you have gone to this point, I believe that you are ready to create your empire, affiliate marketing empire that will generate you a passive income in 2020. So even beyond, as you follow this system that you have seen, this is the last episode of this training. So let's dive into it. We want to look at the selling system. The system you set up even when you are sleeping, it will be working for you. So let's see it. Setting up your affiliate marketing system. You have your different audience, the core audience, you have the warm audience, you have the hot audience. You have signed up for different affiliate programs to solve their problem. So you have to set up an online selling system whereby they will pass through and you start qualifying them one after the other and they start taking action. You started making your commission. The selling system, this is the online route where your audience will pass through before they become a buyer. So it's just an online journey. It's like a funnel, that is, buyers will pass through, audience will pass through, and they start making money online. The online journey is just you having a website, you have a pages that will represent all this structure that we have talked about and make them to pass through it. So this is where you want to qualify the audience. Also, it's a point for you to position your selling message. This is how the page in the website will look like. The layout of your selling system, this is how it will be. So if you are using the free traffic for core audience using YouTube selling system, so if you are using this as your way, maybe you want to do organic way, you want to do free traffic, and you want to get the core audience, and you are using your YouTube selling system method. So this is what you need to do. You create a YouTube channel. So if you have a Gmail account, you can easily create your YouTube channel, and as soon you create your YouTube channel, you create videos that will make your audience, the videos that will make them to trust you, videos that will solve their problems, and you direct them from the subscription aspect. You are not selling immediately to give them a free report by you have a website that you have an opt-in page. As some people from a YouTube video, you have called them to action, you have made them to know you, they have gotten interest, you have captured their attention, and they have built their interest in what you are doing. So you give them a free report by making them to opt in with their emails and phone number through the opt-in page on your website. So you can put the opt-in page on any autoresponder. If you don't have a website, you can choose any autoresponder. You build an opt-in form. So there's put in their names and also their email so that you're able to follow them, and as soon they do that, they get the free reports. So getting the free report, there is a valuable information in the free report that can solve their problem. So it solves their problem, you see, to beat that particular barrier or objection. And under the free report, you might have hyperlink some tests there. The free report, you will get it, most of them you get it from the producer or the affiliate programs, and at the end it's going to link them to the affiliate product. As soon they buy, they make a commission. So this is just a free method that you can do. Also, you can use pay method there by doing your YouTube ad also. So what you need is Gmail, you need your YouTube to create from Gmail, your YouTube channel, you need an autoresponder where you can do your opt-in and also give them their free report. Even when you are sleeping, as you said, this autoresponder, they will be getting it. So the best you can choose from Mailchimp, you can choose for Aweber. This autoresponder, you can sign up. We have paid, we have free versions that you can start using now. Or you can use a bot, your Facebook Messenger bot. We have Foil, your chat fuel as a bot that also you can use a free method that can help you to achieve this goal. So free traffic for core audience using YouTube selling system. So let's see another one. Is free traffic for core audience using blog post selling system. So we want to use blog post selling system to do this. So how do we do this? We create a blog. So you can create a blog by get a website, domain name, a website, or you use blogger.com to create a blog, and that blog you put a content, valuable content, like a landing page where people can come in and read some vital information that help them to solve a particular problem they are passing through, and from there you lead them to get more free report that can help them. As soon they want to get it, there is opt-in form that is going to take them, and they will get the free reports, and also will lead them to the affiliate product. As soon they make any attempt action to buy, you make money. So what you need to do this, you need a website, a domain name, a hosting, a team plugins that can make this work effective, or you use a blogger if you want to go on the free way. Then you auto responder, you can use Mailship, you can use Aweber, or you can use a get a response, and many of them etc that you can use to accomplish this purpose. This is another way. If you want to use paid traffic for core selling, for core audience using Facebook as selling system. So you want to use Facebook ad now to get your core audience. So what you need to do, you go to Facebook business manager, you set up Facebook ad, Facebook campaign. From campaign, then you target your audience, then you create your ad copy, your campaign, then you lead them, you choose your campaign objective, which is going to be like your campaign objective that will lead them to your site. So you need a website that they're going to have a pre-sales page, and also from there, as soon they get your pre-sales page, they read it, you give them, for them to get the free reports that will help them to solve their problem. Then they go to an opt-in page, and opt-in page, the autoresponder will connect them to get the free report, and at the end you have a link for the free report, they get to your affiliate product, they start making money. So what you need there is your Facebook business manager, you need your Facebook page, you need a website, or you can use a blogger, then you need autoresponder that will able to accomplish your auto selling system when even you are sleeping. So the next one is paid traffic for core audience using Google Ads selling system. So the same method, what you need to get a Google Ad, also you have your campaign, your group ad, your group campaign, also your hard copy. There are different campaign objective you can take. If you take your pre-sale page or YouTube ad, so you lead them from your campaign to, from the hard copy that you have prepared, you lead them to your pre-sale page. Then from there, after you pre-sell them, then you lead them to an opt-in page you have not sold to them. So opt-in page, they get the free report, and from the free report they lead to the affiliate product. So what you need Google account. So with your Gmail, you can sign up for Google account. You need a website, you need a blogger or a blogger, and auto responder to accomplish this. So the selling system for warm traffic. If you want to sell to a warm traffic, these people are the people that might have signed up from you. So from your autoresponder, you might have email series, email 1, email 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, as many as email you can have. If you cannot create them, there are emails that the producer might have given to you. So you just schedule the email, maybe after the person opt-in today, the next day, or 2 days interval, to schedule the email in your autoresponder and at a particular time, so that the time the particular audience is opening your email. So we have a perfect have a pro program concerning all this system in our next affiliate marketing pro class, where you'll be seeing, I'll do a video that will be showing how to do this. I'll take you by hand, you will see how we can accomplish this. So what you need to do is series of valuable content email series that you schedule on your autoresponder. You give them, as soon you lead them straight to your product. As soon they buy, you make your commission. See the way you handle different audience with different programs. So the selling system for warm traffic using solo ad. Solo ad is where you buy a traffic, and these people they already known the particular person. They have already know the particular niche they are looking for solution, and you buy a solo ad. So in this case, what you need to do, as soon you buy a solo ad, you make them straight, they will land to your opt-in page because they're coming from one place. As soon they opt-in again, you direct them immediately, so you don't need to preset them to the affiliate product to buy. So what you need there, you need a big list, people that have big lists on that particular niche that you want to sell to, and you buy from them big list holder. Then you schedule it to the responder to finish your next job. So simple selling system for hot traffic. So how do you sell to hot traffic? Is to do a product review. You do a product review and you send it by email to your hot audience, people that might have bought from you before. They know you. Just do the product review, the name of the product, the description, the theory, the benefit of the product, the pro and cons of the product, and cons of the products, and other benefits that you will attach to them that will make them to buy as soon. And you are by link it through your autoresponder, they will land to your particular product you want to sell to them. So what you just need there, you just need an autoresponder to do the job. So powerful selling system for hot traffic. So if you want to make the selling to be effective in hot traffic and still apply this method, you find testimonial content. You can get it from the producer or the product. There are many testimonies, so you use the testimonial content and you use product review, show them testimonial content. People that have used this thing, can be video, can be content, can be PDF, can be images. Show it to your hot product via emails, and as soon as they see it, they get to the product review that you might have reviewed in your blog or your website, then it's going to lead them to the product. You make this very effective also. So what you need is autoresponder in a website or blogger to achieve this. So these are the selling system. So we are at the end of the training. We have come to the end of the training. We have seen all the selling system we can use. So if you want to furthermore and see how we can achieve effectively, you want me to show you by hand, you don't want to your energy, you don't want to waste energy, you want me to show you by hand and see the tricks and hacks. There's a pro class that is coming up. So in this video, just click this and sign up for the pro class, and also you'll be having a discount as soon you join now. So let me take you to the next class so that you see how we can do this. It will not be so difficult. The tech aspect, you see how we accomplish it, and things we put in place that will make effective work. I will do our Facebook ad, I will do our Google ad, I will do the SEO, the free, and I will create our landing page, the selling system, the preset page. I will get content that will make customer to buy immediately. The copywriting, you see everything in the pro class. So thank you for so far you have come. Put all these things into play. The best way to be successful is for you to take action. As soon as you take action, you see results. Never